So very good evening to all. Hope you all are doing great. So today in this video, we'll be discussing about Trident share. So we know that the quarter 3 earnings of Trident was declared. So we'll see all the profits as well as revenue, how much it has reported, and then we'll do the volume analysis followed by the technical charts where we'll try to find out what can be the next possible targets. So in technicals, most important thing I will tell regarding that. So which pattern is it following and what will be the next possible breakout. So watch the video till the end, and if you're new to the channel then definitely subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get instantly notified. Okay, so when we go back, when we discussed about the fundamentals of Trident, so I was recommending this particular stock from 4 rupees level. So you can imagine how much returns it has provided. So I post in between some penny stocks analysis. So many stocks I've did analysis, whether it may be from 6 rupees, 4 rupees, it has given some good quality returns. So this was the Trident share I have discussed almost 6 months back. Later I updated even the levels as well near the 7 rupees, 8 rupees. So people are regularly following. So they might have earned very good profit. So many people have even commented that they have taken at that particular levels. So it is very good that they're holding this particular stock patiently, and you need to continue this particular process of holding without doing any sort of selling. So because we are here for long-term wealth generation rather than exiting and taking short-term gain. So avoid that. So now also I'm telling, hold this particular stock, don't do any sort of selling. And people who have not bought this particular stock, so what can be the levels where you can have an entry, so that we'll discuss in the technicals. So watch the video till end. So I'm telling again and again, don't skip in between. So because if you skip, you will miss some important levels that I keep on suggesting in between, so that you can focus. So watch clearly till the end. Okay, so first when we see the volume analysis, so what can you see on 15th January? So we have seen almost if you see combined percentage of deliverable quantities, so you can see a little bit of traded quantity has increased, but you can see considerably the deliverable quantities have also increased. So whenever deliverable quantities are increasing, so what it suggests that more number of shares are being added into the demat account. So when traded quantity is increasing, what is that light blue color bars are nothing but the traded quantity, which tells us that the trading is happening. So what is trading? Buying and selling on the same day. So when those particular activities increase, it is obvious that the stock movement in the further sessions may not be seen. So it may be either flat or it may slightly have some negative to positive trend, slightly negative to positive, not a trending one. Okay, so this you need to understand. So clearly we can see little bit of deliverable quantities have increased. It is expected that it would post some good quality results. So quickly now we'll see the results. Forgot to discuss that. So we'll see results and then we'll go to the technical charts. Okay, so first if we see the results of Trident, so first we'll go through profit. So how much profit it has reported in quarter 3. So you can see almost 149 crore has been reported in quarter 3, and if you compare with quarter 2, so you can see how much okay, we are comparing yearly basis, so you can see how much increment is present year on year. Next, if we compare revenue, so you can see 20.4% increment is present, that is year on year basis. So very good increment seen in the stock. So dividend payout, everything is being seen. So profits have increased, revenue is increasing. Next, earnings before interest and taxes, so that also you can see 70.6%. so for any company, this particular term, earnings before interest and taxes, is very important, so that it has increased almost 70.6% on year basis. And next, if we see margin, so that has also increased from 13.1% to 18.5%. so we can see year basis, quarter on quarter basis, everything it has done very well. So year basis, you are seeing very good increment in the revenue, especially earnings before interest and taxes. followed by margin. So we can say very good movement was seen. So today it has not given that great movement because market was little volatile, so it has shown some downtrend. So many stocks have shown little correction. So remember one thing, whenever any stock is giving good returns, it doesn't imply it should move up. In the same way, if it gives bad result, doesn't imply it should come down. So it completely depends upon the market situation. If market is contributing to that particular stock, then definitely it will go up, otherwise it will come down. Okay, so remember these things. So since results are very good, don't create a negative impression that it will fall down. It may correct little bit, but again it will start moving up. So what is that level? So now we'll discuss. Before that, we'll see what the indicators are suggesting and also how much returns it has given. Okay, so before that, if we see how much returns it has given, what the indicator is suggesting. So if we see RSI as well as money flow index, so what can you see? So RSI is nothing but it indicates the strength of the stock. Similarly, money flow index, what does it suggest? It suggests whether the stock is in the oversold or overbought. So whenever it goes to overbought region, little pullback happens. Same way, when it goes to oversold, retracement happens, that is reversal happens. So clearly you can see both of them are in the oversold region. So whatever the results that you are getting now, it's already known within the organization or the management. So we are only the people to know lately the result. So after effect, so whatever we are seeing is the after effect. So the actual momentum that we have seen from 8-9 rupees, 7 rupees to 15 was already expected within the company itself. So we are only seeing the after effect. So this is also very important thing that you need to remember. So now also still momentum is there, still investments will happen, still more future is present. So little bit of overbought region, still the stock is present, so little retracement may happen. So when I take you the technical charts, clearly you will understand it is forming a pole and flag pattern. Okay, that is very important breakout. So whenever I discuss in even India Mart, I discuss the pole and flag breakout. So that is very bullish breakout and you need to clearly understand that. Okay, so we'll go to that. Don't worry, everything will be discussed. So now if we see the returns, how much it has provided. So if we see 1 week, it has given flat returns, only 2.05. Obviously accumulation is present. So whenever accumulation is present, it consolidates. So much movement will not be seen. 1 month 52%, 6 months. So we have discussed about this particular stock 6 months. So that time also, if you would have invested, you would be getting almost 132.81% returns. 3 months also 94. 10 years 855% returns, 5 years 214% return. So don't go that long. Okay, so presently if we see still more further returns it will provide, so don't do any selling. So now we'll go to the technical charts. Okay, so we're back onto the technical charts. Okay, this is the 1 week chart of Trident. So today you have seen little bit of positive movement was present, slightly positive, only 1.36% slightly positive movement was seen. So that's why I'm telling, even market is in negative trend, even though it has gone little negative, that is doesn't matter. So little bit of ups and downs, volatility will be present. So you need to control your emotions. So don't do selling. Okay, so if you see about this particular line, so you can see one green color line. So what is this? 50 EMA. So I told all people to employ only 3 indicators on trading chart. So one is 200 exponential moving average, second one is 50 exponential average, third and most important thing is money flow index. So money flow index tells you where the stock is moving, gives you idea of whether the stock is in overbought or oversold. So it is a very good indicator, especially for long-term investment also is very good, and also for intraday trading. So clearly you can see when it has given breakout from the 50 EMA and also closing above that. So I tell clearly that whenever any breakout is happening, so closing above that is very important. So after it has given closing, now what it is doing, it is consolidating. So it will consolidate in this particular region. So what are the two regions? So first one would be 14 rupees and second would be 17 rupees. So 17 is the resistance followed by 14 is the support. So between these two regions, it will have a swing movement. So after that, what will happen? After swing movement completes, it gets that particular momentum and then it gives the breakout. Okay. So this is all comes from experience. So I have seen many charts which follow these type of patterns. So you can try this, watch, keep it in a watch list, watch its movement and then only enter. Okay. So also you can see money flow index, little bit of overbought region is present. So that's why that particular momentum has not come. So if you want clearly to understand, so clearly you see in 1 day chart. So 1 day chart, clearly you can see this is 200, red color one is the 200, green color one is the 50. So whenever this green color line gives breakout from the red color, that is crossover happens. So that is known as bullish crossover. So again, this is a confirmation that little bit of bullish momentum is also present, and also money flow index, you can see again it is pointing upwards in the 1 day chart. Okay, so what is the near term resistance? 17. So if 17 is broken, then definitely 20 rupees can be easily achieved. So near term resistance is 17 and support is 14. So mark this, 14 is the support. So people who want to have an entry, take entry at 14. Okay, so do your own analysis as well. So 17 is the near term resistance. If it gives breakout from that, definitely it will move up. So clearly it's trying to again gain that momentum and give breakout from that 17 rupees level. So results are very good. You have also seen that volume analysis is also showing deliverable quantities are increasing, and on chart patterns also you can see bullish momentum followed by moving averages are also suggesting a crossover to happen in the coming sessions. Okay. So hope you understood everything. So many people are commenting regarding Trident. So I think it's clear. So further, if you have any doubts, make sure you comment in the comment section. So until then, take care. Bye bye.